Rossogin Fadalishan Ishka. So we'll have a race as far as the water. Be Rossogin. Okay. And just to kind of review quickly, the way you say you have something in Irish is it is at you. So I have a cat, ta catagum. And then you vary it for whoever you're talking about. And so you vary the ta part and you vary the agam part. So ta can be V or Neil or and will and rev. So any variant of is. So is, are, will be. Thing that you have goes in the middle. And whoever has it, you have egg that person. So agam is at me. So I have a cat. Do you have a dictionary? Well, folklore got. Okay, or he doesn't have a car. Neil car egg. Or she had a nice dress. Viguna jas eki. So V is was, Guna is a dress, Jas is nice, and Eki at her. So she had a nice dress. So she was dressed nice at her. Okay. So we'll have a cup of tea. Be kupan teogen. So be will be. Okay. And will you have coffee? And make cafe. So will there be coffee at you? So will you have coffee? Or they won't have the time. Nive and tamaka. So there won't be the time at them. Okay?
I have a question. Would that be they don't have time to do something or they don't have a watch?
They don't have the time to do something. Okay? So let's try a few of these. Actually, I will try not to do them written. So, how do you say I have a monkey? Okay, so ta monkey yagam, I have a monkey. Okay? How do you say I don't have a monkey? And I'll do them individually on this one. Okay?
She can get her own synthesis to start.
So, that's fine, she said it. Lexi, how do you say I had a monkey?
The V monkey egg.
You guys aren't Lexi.
Well, they're helping you out, I guess.
Thank you.
So,
I'm sorry,
Oh.
I'm drifting.
I had a
I
monkey.
had a monkey.
V monkey
V
agam.
monkey.
Yeah, so V was monkey agam. Okay. Clevin, how about I had a cat? Mm-hmm. How about I didn't have a cat? You know how that would be? Okay. Give that to. How about John? I didn't have a dog. Okay. Garth, how about I have a dog? Okay, Tamadrogam, so his dog at me. How about Michal, do you know how to say, do you have a dog? Do you have one?
I will. Madra. Okay.
Okay, well, Madra agat. How about Kelly, do you know how to say, did you have a dog?
Did you?
Yeah.
Did you have a dog?
Yeah.
Isn't that what you just said?
He said, I asked him, do you have? And will Madra agat. So how do you think?
Did you?
Yeah.
Okay. Is it V?
Unrev.
Unrev.
Unrev Madra agat.
Rev Madra Agat.
Okay, and Pam, how about you say, how do you say I don't have a dog? Or Neil Madra. Okay. And Kathleen, how about, you know, say I didn't have a dog?
Rev Madra Agat.
Okay. And Bob, how about I will have a dog? And how about I won't have a dog?
Nive?
Nive Madra. And how about will you have a dog?
May Madra Agat.
Okay, so if you want to say have or have, then it's ta. Okay, and if you want to say ask someone, will you have or do you have? It's will. And you want to say don't have, Neil. Okay, so this is all for now. Have. Question, do you have, or does someone have, and Neil isn't. Okay, then whatever thing you have, and then egg, someone. Okay, so you want to find that someone has something. You ask, and will this thing at someone, egg? Or you want to say they do have it, ta, like ta kat agam, I have a cat, or ta kat egg Sean, John has a cat. Don't have is Neil, so Neil folklore agam, I don't have a dictionary, or Neil folklore egg Sean, John doesn't have a dictionary. And you ask, and will katagat, do you have a cat? Or and will kat egg Garth, does Garth have a cat?
How do you ask, have you not a cat, or don't you?
Not will, yeah. Okay, and if you want to do it in the past, then you use instead of ta, the.
The.
Okay, so that means was there or something. And instead of unwell, it's unrev. And instead of Neil, it's nirev. Okay? So what you're really saying is there was something or there wasn't something, or we're asking was there?
How do you say wasn't there?
Nachrev.
Oh,
Yeah.
so it's the same.
Yeah, nachrev. So nirev is, or sorry. Yeah, nachrev, yeah. So nachwil for isn't there, and nachrev wasn't there. Okay, and in the future use bay or a may or nive. Okay? So all these are really different forms of is. It's is, was, will be, are. Is a question. You answer the questions using ta or neo here, using vi or nirev here, using be or nive. So if I ask you, and rev kataga, did you have a cat? You would say vi or nirev. Or and may luneshkaga, will you have a cup of water? It's either be or nive. Okay. But all these words that you use for having, it's just a variant of is. You say something is at you, or something was at you, or something will be at you, or something would be at you if only something or other. Okay? But the basic idea is something being at you is how you have something in Irish. Okay? It's probably one of the, it's a very important expression in Irish. We'll run into it a lot, not just for having, but talking about when you did things too. So, okay. So Be Ross again, so we will have a race. Hofada leshanishka, so as far as the water. So the way you say Hofada means as far, and you really say in Irish as far with the water. Hofada leshanishka. Okay? Okay, or you can say Hofada le Coronado, as far as Coronado. Hofada le Kathleen, as far as Kathleen. Okay?
Christmas Eve.
Okay, so Hofada le, as far as. Okay? And you can use other words than fada there to mean as, you say, tashe. We had that one a couple of weeks or so, or maybe a few weeks ago. We had this. Yeah, well, we were talking about something being as white as snow or as dark as coal or something like that, and the kid's face was as black as coal. Chotov le gul, right? Okay, Laban l'shnacht is white as snow. Okay. Okay, so that's the way you say as something else is you use ho, and then whatever the word is, and then le, the thing you're talking about, okay?
And ho is, what's it
It
after?
means as.
Okay, it
In
means
English you use as twice, in Irish you use ho for the first as, and then you use the le for the second as.
okay. It literally means as?
It's hard, it's really hard to say, to give in some cases a little meaning because it means different things in English. So as is one of the meanings of ho.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. It's like the word le. Le sometimes means two, sometimes means four, but But if you look at it from the Irish perspective, four sometimes means le, sometimes means the, sometimes means this. Okay. So it's the same problem if you're Irish trying to learn English. Okay.